we're in Northwest Arkansas this month, and we're heading to Lost Valley State Park to check out some waterfalls.
It rained a bunch last night, so we figured the waterfalls would be beautiful today. But on the way there, we saw this view. Check this out. Better at landing. It's still always kind of nerve-wracking because the drone itself is like $300-400 and the GoPro is like $300-400, so you cannot do anything wrong.
That was a fun little drone session, but it's time to keep on going to see some waterfalls. There's a waterfall in here that's like Scuttlebutt or something like that. Like, dude's fully nude.
Isn't that a strip club in Slidell?
Yeah, it is. Scuttlebutts. I forgot about that. I don't think Scuttlebutts is the name of it. Something Butts. Fuzzy Butt is the name of the falls, and he's like half climbing on it. And he even blurred out his little butt cheeks.
So I realize we're kind of jumping around. We were just in Colorado, now we're in Arkansas. So we are officially completely moved out of our apartment. Now we're staying in a trailer we just bought on some family land in Arkansas.
So we're gonna spend the next month organizing all of our stuff and moving in for full-time RVing.
But for now, we're just gonna check out some cool things around Arkansas, like this waterfall.
We just made it to Natural Bridge, which is where Clark Creek actually runs through a little tiny open cave and creates this beautiful waterfall. So while Daniel's trying to get some nice photos for the front side of Natural Bridge, I'm gonna go around the back to see if I can crawl through this cave.
With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line.
We are quickly running out of light, so we are rushing to Eden Falls. Just saw Natural Bridge. This place is gorgeous.
So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my.
I don't think I mentioned this yet, but all of Arkansas state parks, or at least most of them, are free admission, which is amazing. You really don't get that a lot of times. Actually, most of the times there's at least an entrance fee or a parking fee or something, a day use fee, but nope, we're in a Arkansas State Park for free stay, which is great. The cliff is giving so much bounce light. Oh my goodness. Like if someone's pointing a spotlight down here. Well, we made it to Eden's Cave, and it is so big. Look how far back it goes. Made it to Eden Falls, and look how beautiful this is. One of the main reasons Daniel got into photography was waterfalls. So anytime we're hiking near a waterfall, he just loves taking his tripod and figuring out the most obnoxiously crazy tripod configuration to just get that perfect shot. I was trying to show the crazy leg formation you got going on here with the tripod.
So ridiculous. You do what you gotta do to get the shot. Can you do me a favor?
What?
Can you just stand down there on the rock?
Sure. So we followed Clark's Creek pretty far up above Eden's Falls, and I guess this is middle and maybe upper Eden Falls. But a really cool thing we just found is part of the stream is coming from a cave, and we saw some lights in here. I don't do caves, so I'm not going in there. It's starting to get dark and we didn't bring a headlamp, but if you're into caving and want some waterfalls, this place is pretty cool. You ready for some dinner?
Hungry.
Let's go then.
That was a nice little reprieve from working on the trailer.
It was, and all the waterfalls and rocks and stream, everything was just so beautiful today.
Yeah, it was. So be sure to come back next time for another adventure.